Today in SecurityTrax, we're going to learn how to create a customer. So in SecurityTrax, up here at the top, there's an Add button. Click on that. There's a drop down. You just click on Customer, and that's how we're going to create a customer. So there's two workflows that you see in here. One's a single page and one's a standard workflow. We'll talk a little bit more about the standard workflow here in a bit, but we're going to do a creation of a customer with the single page. So hit start. Now we're going to fill in the information for the customer. And that is it. So everything that is required has now been entered. Of course, there are other fields that you might want to enter. One being like the email. Okay, so there we go. So we've got an email and everything else. I'm going to hit save, and this is going to create our customer. And it's as simple as that. So now we have a customer created in SecurityTrax, and we've got all these other tools now that we can use and edit, and we'll get into some more of those tools and things in another training video.